Woodpecker is a big name in woodworking tools because they maintain really good quality in their tools. They make tools that are used by a lot of people in woodworking and are known for setting high standards. So now let's take a look at the 30 new amazing Woodpecker tools for woodworking. Let's start today's list with the Woodpecker's Camel Dowel Guide, a versatile and precise doweling jig designed to enhance woodworking projects. Its standout features include variable spacing capabilities, precision engraved center lines, a sturdy fence, and a flexible stop system, making it the most comprehensive doweling jig available. Unlike other models, users aren't confined to specific pin dimensions and don't need to track which bushings were used. With adjustable spacing, woodworkers can tailor the jig to their material requirements effortlessly. The Camel line offers 4 guide bushing sizes so that you can get the flexibility to do your job. Available in both single size and deluxe sets, which include all 4 sizes, extensions for the stop, and a convenient wall-mountable racket. This dowel guide gives you needed accessibility for efficient woodworking projects. Now here comes the Joiner's Marking Gauge from Woodpeckers, a refined tool that addresses the common inefficiencies of traditional marking gauges. With a compact design, eliminating unnecessary length in the beam, this latest one-time tool offers precision and comfort in the palm of your hand. Ideal for laying out joinery, it strikes razor-thin lines at preset distances from reference edges, catering perfectly to the typical range required for furniture joinery. The Joiner's Marking Gauge boasts improved ergonomics, fitting snugly in your hand and offering superior balance during marking tasks. Its thoughtful design and practical features make it an essential companion for woodworking projects, so the craftsmen of all levels can achieve accuracy and ease of use for any job. Woodpeckers introduces the 2096 Work Holding Kit, a solution embodying simplicity and effectiveness for woodworking tasks. Featuring 2 opposing wedges, one fixed and the other floating, this kit leverages minimal pressure to deliver remarkable gripping strength, ensuring secure workpiece hold without complexity. A straightforward bench stop or dog with a fixed height further enhances stability without the need for springs or clamps, providing reliable support during work. The kit's design is tailored to fit Festool MFT tables, utilizing 20mm holes on 96mm centers for compatibility. However, even without an MFT table, users can still benefit from this kit by using Woodpecker's hole boring jig to create custom tabletops with identical spacing and hole sizes, extending its versatility across various work setups. Wondering how to achieve precision and aesthetics in metric tenon cutting without the hassle? Meet the Ultra Shear half-round bits from Woodpeckers. Available in a range of diameters from 4 to 14 millimeters, these bits enable woodworkers to create custom loose tenon material. Unlike ready-made domino tenons, which may lack aesthetic appeal when exposed in through joints, these bits cut precisely engineered profiles that ensure seamless integration and visual appeal. Designed to address the challenge of creating metric tenons with inch-round over bits, Ultra Shear's metric half-round bits offer the perfect solution, delivering accurate profiles at the right sizes for flawless joinery work. Ever found swapping your dust collector hose a cumbersome task? Woodpeckers introduces the innovative MagQuick dust ports that will revolutionize the process with rare earth magnets for effortless connectivity. Unlike traditional connectors, these ports utilize magnets connected to a steel rig, eliminating polarity alignment issues and the need for multiple magnetic connectors. Featuring internal and external bevels, the fittings effortlessly guide connections into alignment and slide smoothly into flexible hoses, ensuring a perfect seal with no slipping. Crafted from high-strength ABS, the 3 robust fittings, collector side, inline machine side, and surface mount adapter offers durability and versatility for streamlined woodworking operations. Have you ever struggled to keep 2 pieces of stock perfectly square while working on a project? Woodpeckers introduces the innovative Corner Lock, designed to spring into action whenever you need to secure two pieces of stock square to each other. Whether you're installing fasteners, applying bar clamps, or simply aligning your project, these corner locks make the task effortless. Utilizing a simple yet effective design, just compress the spring and drop the corner lock over the two pieces of stock. The spring captures your material between a square steel corner and two alignment pins, ensuring perfect alignment with minimal effort. With Woodpecker's corner locks, achieving precision and stability in your woodworking project has never been easier. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to perfection with Woodpecker's gauge blocks. These gauge blocks are here to save you from the frustration of relying on the inaccurate protractor scale of a power tool for precise angles. The latest one-time tool is designed to revolutionize machine setup. Unlike bulky squares prone to their own set of problems, these gauge blocks offer highly accurate angles machined into perfectly sized squares that fit seamlessly next to blades and bits. With Gauge Block 225 providing flawless 45 and 90 degree angles, and Gauge Block 369 delivering impeccable 30, 60, and 90 degree angles, woodworkers can now achieve precision with ease. Milled and inspected carefully, these gauge blocks ensure accuracy and reliability in every woodworking project. When precision matters in woodworking tasks, like marking dovetails or transferring angles, Woodpecker's sliding bevel gauges are the tool you need. Featuring a unique locking mechanism, these gauges offer effortless adjustment and secure locking, ensuring your desired angle remains set until you're ready to change it. The locking knob, ergonomically designed to fit between your thumb and finger, provides tactile feedback for tension adjustment, while internally, a wedge multiplies your effort to exert firm gripping pressure on the blade with minimal finger pressure. Whether you're working on intricate joinery or replicating angles from plans, Woodpecker's siding bevel gauges deliver the precision and reliability you need for flawless woodworking results. Introducing the Woodpeckers Mini Square, the ultimate tool for checking the squareness of cutting tool edges. Unlike traditional squares that may be too long or narrow for precise alignment, the Mini Square's compact dimensions of 1 1/8 by 2 inches make it perfectly suited for the task. Crafted from lightweight aluminum, it's easy to grip and won't damage your tools thanks to its carefully machined edges. The dark red anodized finish enhances visibility, allowing you to easily detect any gaps. Whether in your pocket or its custom-fitted tray, the Woodpecker's Mini Square is always ready to ensure the accuracy of your woodworking tools. Next up, we have the Universal Cross Dowel Jig, an essential tool for effortlessly assembling high-quality furniture with exceptional strength. With its innovative design, this jig facilitates the creation of joints using cross dowels, sturdy pieces of hardware featuring standard threads cut across a steel dowel. By drilling intersecting holes in one piece of stock and matching them in its mating piece, woodworkers can achieve joints with remarkable mechanical strength, perfect for knockdown furniture and various shop projects. Enjoy the convenience of disassembling and reassembling furniture countless times without compromising on durability or stability, thanks to the Universal Cross Dowel Jig from Woodpeckers.
Who would have thought that angle layout could be so simple? This Posse-Lock T-Square delivers unparalleled accuracy in your panel layout work. With the precisely machined holes and spring-loaded high-tolerance detent ball that pops into them, it will ensure the project is done perfectly. Wondering how? Well, the process is simple. Just snap the head into the angle you want and strike your line. But hold on, there's more to mention. The satin-finished stainless steel blade with a scribing guide will simplify your critical dimensioning too. What else can anyone demand from it? You've met with several challenges when drilling angled holes. Welcome your new auto-angling guide to getting all the angle drilling accurate. The target line engraved in the base will be your favorite feature. Wait, you don't have to rely on the crosshairs only. The fence for the auto angle fits on all four sides to provide absolute support in every job you have. Thanks to its optional flip stops and extension rods, you can easily position a hole. All you need to do is line the index marks in the auto angle base, set your desired angle on the protractor base, and drill away. No more worries about bulky drill presses.
So that was the list of the 30 new amazing Woodpeckers tools for woodworking. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.